Hello my sweet friends and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. I'm super excited that you stopped by because today I'm making a tropical tablescape. This tropical tablescape collab consists of 4 decorators. Antoinette from Decorating Aunt's Place, Anne from Renters Love Luxury, Linny from Linny's World, and myself, Nadia, from Coffee with Nadia. Now let's get started on this tablescape. I'm going to start with this runner I got from Home Goods. It has stripes on one side and plain cotton on the other side. The reason I like to do the runner first is when I get my placemats out, I know that I will be putting them in the right spots. So these are from Home Goods. And these are kind of like, you know, what the sun hats are made out of. This is kind of what this is made out of. And it's nice and sturdy. It's nice and simple white. So this will work. The chargers I'll be using are these chargers from the Dollar Tree. They're very beautiful. I love this shade of gold. It's kind of rusticy a little bit. And for today's tablescape, the colors are white, gold, blue, and green. But it's more of like kind of like a light blue. You'll see what I mean as we move on with the decor. For dinner plates, I will be using these plates that are very, very pretty, and they have like the little dots, kind of like pearls on the edge right here and right there. And these are just by Gibson. I bought a set of 12 at a thrift store for $8, so not bad. And the little dots right here, the little pearls, match my charger. Very pretty. The salad plates are the same Gibson plates. For the napkin, I'm going to be using this beautiful beige color that is kind of matching the gold that I have. And this is by Calicut. I get these on Amazon and I absolutely love these. So let's fold these. I'm making a triangle, then bringing these edges to the center. And that's it. Then I'm taking my napkin ring and just pulling it through. This napkin ring I did get on Amazon also. And it's a gold little tropical leaf. And I think it's so pretty. All the links are going to be in the description box and also on my Amazon store. Next, I'm going to grab this beautiful greenery from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut it down for the stem to be about maybe 4 inches. And then I'm just going to insert it right over the napkin, like right on top, right like this. And I'm going to hide the metal part inside the bottom part of my napkin. Next, I'm grabbing these palm leaves that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they were $3.99 for 6 of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them out starting from the center. I'm going to have them overlap right there in the center. And that little hole is going to get covered. And then I'm just going to lay them across the table. overlapping so that it looks like this one's on top. Just keep on going backwards with these. Underneath. There you go. And underneath. In the center, I am going to put this riser that I got for 69 cents at Hobby Lobby. And it does have a square top, and so I'm going to put it where the tips are actually kind of like in a diamond shape when you're looking straight onto the table. Now I'm going to show you the beauties that started this color scheme kind of for this tablescape, and it's these gorgeous candle holders from the Dollar Tree out of all places. And they do have different leaves on each one of them. And here is the third one. How gorgeous are these? And they're this beautiful blue and gold. The one that's busiest, I'm going to put in the center. And these two are going to go on the last leaf. Inside of those candle holders, I'm using these candles from the Dollar Tree. And they're gonna fit perfectly right inside. Next, I'm going to grab these little guys, also from the Dollar Tree. And these are an iridescent aqua, is what I would call them. They do have toppers. I am going to take those off. Next, I'm going to grab some sand. Now, this sand is from the Dollar Tree. I just stored it in this little bottle, but it is just regular white sand from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to fill these little vases with the sand. Okay, I got these guys pretty even. Inside of each one, I am going to put more of this greenery that we got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I just cut them down, and I'm just going to put 2 in each. Doesn't have to be too much. There you go, and I'm going to put those. To give my runner a little bit more of white and to balance this white, I'm going to put these white conch shells that I painted a long time ago, and I'm going to put them on both sides. Next, I'm going to start putting the stems, and these are from the Dollar Tree. You guys, these are humongous. Absolutely humongous. Next, also from the Dollar Tree, are these beautiful blue wine glasses or stems or whatever you want to call them. I'm just going to put them next to the big ones. And finally, for flatware, I am going to use my Gorham flatware, and it has this gold edging on the sides.